Now we will make the table number 3 once again. Table number 3, and in fact, I am taking in the next sheet. I am taking it in the next sheet. Why so? Because this table we have to rearrange into a particular way. What is that way? Just see. First, keep happiness. Now, this happiness should be the first one. So cut happiness from here and paste the happiness here. Insert cut cell, and likewise take the cut happiness from here and paste happiness here. Insert cut cell. Means what we are doing, we are now making the table. This is table number 4 we have made. So this is table number 5. Table number 5 is same as the table number 3. Only difference is now it will not be the in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be into the level. First is happiness, second comes promotion. So both of them, take the promotion from here, cut, and it will go here. Insert cut cell. Take the promotion from here, cut, it will go here. Insert cut cell. The next one comes job and development. So job is there, doesn't matter. Development job or job development, you can take any one of them. So in fact, I take this admission from here, cut and paste it into the last. And admission I will take from here and paste it in the last. This comes this way. So now the only difference is we are taking this table, and now this table I can take back, copy and paste it here. This is table number 5. Table number 5 is same as the table number 3. Only difference is its name is canonical matrix. Canonical matrix. Canonical matrix means it's exactly the same table. The only difference comes now we have arranged as per the level. As per the level we have arranged. Okay. And here we will make one more table. Table number 6. Table number 6 will be reduced canonical matrix. And there are some rules for same. But before that, Arun sir, please tell me, table number 5 is clear?
Yes, it is clear. You are very important. Yes.
Now, in the table number 5, what I have done, just rearrange as per the levels. No need to go to the diagram. From here, the happiness will be the first row, first column. Promotion will be second row, second column. Job development, anyone can be row 3, 4 and the column 3, 4, and this will be the last one. Now let's make this here. Basically, it means one indicates the arrow. In the diagram, we are into this diagram and we have put the arrow. We are making some rules for the arrow. 2 rules are here. Let's write the rules. The rule number 1, no backward arrow. No backward arrow. So in ISM, we do not go back from happiness to promotion, happiness to else, we will not go back. It is only the one-sided, like one directional is there. No arrow will go back. By the way, this is something important. You need to know about it. When we say X lead to Y and Y lead to G, this is called as non-recursive model. Oh, sorry. It is called as recursive model. It is called as recursive model. And all the recursive models we can handle in the AMOS, we can handle in the smart PLS. Have you noted in all sort of the theory, they are one-sided? So what is the problem? When X lead to Y and Y lead to G and G lead to X, now there comes a problem. This is called as the non-recursive model. What is the problem with this model? The problem with this model is, see, we always talk in this term. If I increase 1 unit of X, there will be increase in Y. That is basically what we write here as the B1. Y is equal to A plus BX. That will be increased. And when the Y is increased, subsequently, the value of Z will also increase. So if I'll increase one value of X, the value of Z will also increase. But here in the non-recursive model, the problem will be there. As I increase X, Y increase. With the increase of Y, Z increase. And with the increase of Z, X also increase. Now the problem is, if by increasing 1 unit of x, it itself increases. We don't know whether it's effect of that initial unit or it's that or because of that feedback mechanism or the circular effect. So here only Amos can handle such models. Smart PLS cannot handle such models. Only Amos can handle, where this is called as, there is a particular name to that. It is called reciprocity. Reciprocity. So these days, if you are writing in the A category or A star category, the editor will be very, very specific about the endogeneity. And one of the reason of the endogeneity is reciprocity. Other two are common method biasness and left out variable. So reciprocity will be a problem. Amos can handle. I have made a video. A concept of saturation is there. Amos will work on that, but not the smart PLS. That's why in the ISM, we have said no backward arrow. Please understand the meaning of the backward arrow. Above the diagonal, this is the zone of the backward arrow or something. Check this out. Above the arrow, above the diagonal, this is the zone of the backward arrow. Means from happiness to promotion, from happiness to development, from happiness to job, from happiness to admission, all are 0. And it has to be. Check it out. Happiness will not cause, cannot cause. Only one-sided arrows will go. Arun sir, this makes sense?
Yeah, so it perfectly makes sense. Even in fact, your PLS PM, they use similar metrics, sir, where all the diagonals are 1 and above 0.
Yes. But there is one thing. What about this one? I can see one value here. Let me change its color. There's a 1 here. Above the diagonal, one can be allowed only when the two are on the same level. It means development has effect on job and job has an effect on development. It basically, you can put it like this. That is permissible. That is perfectly okay. If both are at the same level and there it comes 1, you can make such arrow. On the same level, it's okay. But see, from development, you cannot go back to the admission. Rule number 2. Rule number 2 is you can go just to the next level. Go just to next level. Do not cross level. It means if you have any arrow from admission to promotion and admission to job, job and promotion, then what we will do, we will say remove this arrow. Remove this arrow. Because ultimately what you are saying, this makes sense here. From admission to job, job to promotion will be taken. So initially what the software will do, what we will do, we will make as many arrow. Just try to make, and this one will be called as diagraph. The name of this, what I'm making, it's called as diagraph. G-R-A-P-H, diagraph. What is diagraph? Let's make the arrow. From all, there is a arrow on the 1 means arrow. 1 means make a arrow, draw arrow, and 0 means no arrow. 1 means arrow and 0 means no arrow. Is that okay? Let's go ahead with that. So initially we will say from all go to the happiness. So I will go from here to happiness. From job, I will go to the happiness. From promotion to happiness. From development to happiness. Okay. Second, it says to promotion, accept happiness from all. So job, this will also go. And from admission also, we will make a arrow like that. Next one, development, 3 arrows, except 1, 2 are there. So from admission to development and admission to job. This one will case job, etc. And job similar. And from admission, it will go only to admission. Okay. Now in the reduced matrix, table number 5. Okay. Nancy, this table is exactly the same table that is of table number 3. Check this out. Take the table number 3. Oh, I cut the table number 3. My mistake. So let me make it as once again, table number 3 here. And I remember this was only 1 star. Rest of the, fortunately, the value was the same. Instead of cut, I should have done copy. So from this table number 3, Nancy, I'm taking it to the next sheet here. Okay. Now arrange into this sequence. Means, how do I know this sequence? The sequence is, look at the level partitioning. The first level is level happiness will be the first one, followed by second row, second column will be promotion. Third row, third and fourth will be the job development, and last is admission. So what I have done, Nancy, I have just done this sort of scenario. First should be the happiness. So let me cut these and put it here. And happiness, I'm just doing the cut paste part, and happiness should be here. So cut happiness from here and paste it here. Insert cut cell. At the second should be the second column and second row should be promotion. So let me put it this way. Promotion goes here and cut promotion from here and paste it here. Insert cut cell. The third one comes as job and development. So job development are together. So job development. So let me take admission out from here. And likewise, admission out from here and paste the admission here. This becomes the table number 6. I hope, Nancy, this part is clear. So table number 3 rearranged says how to decide between job and, it doesn't matter. Those who are on the same level, anyone can be first, anyone can be second, but maintain the same. If development you have written here first, development will be the first. Can be anything, absolutely not a problem. They are on the same level. Now going ahead, table number 6. Probably this is our last table. From here, now see the second rule. Let me write the rules once again here. The rules are, number 1, no backward arrow. Rule number 2, there can be arrow on same level. No backward arrow means we are talking here as above diagonal values. Look at the above diagonal values. These values, there cannot be one here. It can be on the same level, but otherwise it's not possible. Now look at the below the table, below the diagonal, remove one which goes to the, which crosses the level. Meaning of the crosses is, like from here, the level is admission and job development. So from admission, we can put to the job and development. These we need to remove. Make it as 1. Make both as 1. Why so? See, look at this diagram. Basically, we have to remove from admission any other arrow than the next level. Any other jumping is not allowed. So remove this arrow. Not this eraser. Remove this one. So what I am removing? I am removing that extra arrow which goes anywhere from admission other than job and this. Arun sir, please ask whether this point is clear.
Yeah, this point is clear.
You cannot go to the jumping is not allowed. You cannot go anywhere else rather than the next level, because it means it's a sort of a relay race. In the relay race, admission will give the better to job and development, not to anywhere else. So from admission, remove the all other arrows. Just go to the next level. Don't cross the level. So admission to job and development. Let's check it out. From admission, I have done job and development. The 2 are there. Rest they are not there. From job and development, it will go only to the promotion. Remove these also. Remove these also. From job, you cannot go to happiness. You cannot go to promotion. We can go. Yes. You can go to development. Yes. You can go itself. And likewise from development, you can go for it. So these will be removed. Let me remove this. So this also goes. Anything else from development to promotion, it's okay. But development to this also will be removed because you are jumping the level. Jumping is not allowed. And it becomes like this. And we can little bit make it more. This is also okay. But we could have done it like this way also. Instead of 2, if they are on the same level, you might decide. Actually, I have removed almost all the arrows. So you might decide it like this, that they are on the same level. And then you can say from admission to here and from here to here. You can do this way also. And you can go others also. Look for the rule number 3 once again, below the diagonal. Below the diagonal, you cannot go to the next level. From admission to promotion, admission to happiness, you should not go. So only the next level is from admission to job and development. So how to read it? From happiness, look, read it. It was saying from admission to happiness, make it at 0, level crossing. From admission to promotion, level crossing, make it at 0. From admission to development, allowed, because it's just the next level. From admission to job, admission to admission. And in fact, you can make this also. Now you can make finally the diagram as the 0. This diagonal as the 0. And check this out. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7. 7 arrows can be there at the maximum. 7 arrows can be there. How are the 7 arrows? So just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where is the 7th one? Promotion to happiness. Yes, there is there. From development to both. Okay, this is taken 2 times. From job to development and development to job. So 2 are here. Which else left out? From admission to both of them. Yes, both of them. From the job, there are the 3. To promotion, 1. To development and to itself. No, only 2. From development to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do I have 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where is 1 arrow missing? Where is my 1 arrow? Check it out. From promotion, only happiness. Correct. From development, there are 2. From development, okay, this arrow was missing. So 7 arrows are there. So I make this sort of diagram, maybe in MS Word, maybe some other web utility. Make this diagram, and this is said to be the hierarchical model. This becomes the conceptual model. This is the hierarchical model. Hierarchical model. Check the 6 tables once again. So first table is the VEXO. Take the data from expert in the VEXO. Complete the table. This is called SSIM, Structured Self-Identity Matrix. From there, make the reachability. Reachability will be like this. Change it to binary table of 1, 0. Go for the indirect effect. This is the indirect effect. Make a color, something. This is the indirect effect. Going next, here, go for the level partitioning. It is antecedent and consequences of every variable. Find out what is common and then which is identical in the reachability and the common. Take that out. If there are any 2, 3, 4 values which are on the same level, like here development job, take both on the same level. After doing this, now we go to the levels. Rearrange the table number 3. This will become as table number 5. Rearrange. In this table, 3 rules are there. The 3 rules are: first, no backward arrow. So by it will not come, but if still is there, you have to remove that. The second one is there can be arrow on the same level. This is also okay. And if you prefer a 2-sided arrow, that is also okay. Both have the same meaning. You can put like this also. This is also okay. The next one comes below the diagonal. Remove the one which crosses the level. So from admission, you can go just to the next level. Like the job and the development, you cannot go directly to the next level because this job and development will pass on your message, not admission. Remove the some of the arrows. So here we removed this one. Which one values we removed? From admission, we removed the 2 value. From job, we remove happiness. And from development, we remove happiness. And all the diagonals also we removed. Now, as many ones are there, as many should be the arrow. Only one-sided arrow is there and no backward arrow is there. This becomes our final model from the expert opinion. This is our final model. And now we can propose this model in the research that I will go for the empirical data collection and check the model. When there is no theoretical model, you can make a such sort of model. Now ask your questions so far. Kangan says we have drawn the arrow from level 4 to 1. Okay, let's check. From 4 to 1, Kangan, I couldn't see any arrow. From admission to happiness, initially I made, but it's from 1. Okay, level 1 means it's dependent. Happiness is the ultimate dependent variable. So if you call this happiness, this is your ultimate DV. It is influenced by all and not influencing anyone. And this is your ultimate IDV. This is not influenced by anyone and actually it is influencing all. How to reach the number of arrow? Okay, number of arrow, basically look at this table number 5. From table number 5, 3-4 rules are there. So full number rule, make all diagonal values as 0. Okay, so this is self-explanatory. Make the diagonal as 0. Now we are out of those calculations. It makes no sense. No backward arrow. Backward arrow means from happiness we cannot go anywhere because it is at level number 1. Level number 1 means this is on the extreme right hand side. No arrow can go back. So no arrow on the upper side of it. But one can be there. Why there is a one such? I can see one above diagonal. Because these both are development and job are on the same level. So that is rule number 3. Rule number 2, there can be arrow on the same level. So this is allowed. Look at the number 3. Number 3 means there should not be, yeah, Latika says, we will always get one variable at last. Yes, we will always get one or might be 2 also. Latika, there can be, might be in the first place here. What if there are the 2, 3 values are there? This is also the exactly same. This is same. All will be at the same level. Can be at least one will be there, but there can be more than one also. More than one also. Now look at the diagonal. Have you thought of like when you go meet in your institution, you go and meet the director or vice chancellor, they will ask, no, come through proper channel. So this is a scholar, this is HOD, this is dean and the vice chancellor. So scholar can go directly to the HOD, not directly to the dean or director. HOD can go to the next level, dean. Dean can go to the director. So no jumping allowed. But here what we are saying, look at it. From admission, I am making the 5 arrows. Not allowed. How many arrows I can make? Looking from the level, shall I put something on the level? Like this is the level number 4. This is the level number 3. This is level number 2. And this is level number 1. You cannot cross the level. It means when you are talking about the level 4, you can go just to the level 3. So except here from admission, happiness and promotion, I made 0 and these are okay. These are still 1. You cannot jump the level. Please ask whether this is clear or not. Nancy asked if that all diagonals are 0, sum of row and column is 0. We are not concerned about sum of row column, Nancy. 1 here indicates these are used for making the diagram. These are used for making the diagram. We are not concerned about their sum, whatever may be the sum. We are not concerned with that. This is clear why we removed the 0. So from, if you look the diagram once again, here, from level 3, I cannot go to the level 1. From job and development, I cannot go to the happiness. So come back. From job, there was a happiness. From development, there was a happiness. I made both of them as 0. Both of them as 0. So these are 0, others are okay. Please ask whether this is clear or not. Arun sir.
Yeah, sir, to make this clear, sir, I have 2 questions in mind. If you permit, I will ask it.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, when you say the hierarchical model is based on expert opinion,
Yes.
That is fine, but again, you require certain theory to support this particular model. Yes, sir. So, and second question is regarding the two-headed arrows. You say smart PLS will not take care of it, so we have to go and test that. In fact, that becomes a non-recursive in that particular relationship, sir. My queries are asking.
Okay. That's a very wonderful question. The first thing is, sir, if there is a theory, I will not take this much trouble. If there is any theory, why I will take this much trouble to make such complicated calculations? There is no theory. From expert opinion, I am devising the theory. I'm not making the theory, I'm making a model. I'm making a model how it happens, because first you take PhD admission. This will help you in getting a job, because PhD is a mandatory in the universities, and that you will get development also. Both will help you. You will get a job, you will get promotion, and then finally you will be happy with that. So this means I have gone for a logical flow, logical model of the same. Yes, it must be appeal to the common sense. That's why where the arrows will come from, because experts are saying it. So having a theory is not mandatory. Second thing, we do not go for the research depending on the software. So if Smart PLS can't do it, not a problem. We can go ahead in the AMOS also. And now in the Smart PLS also, you can run just like AMOS, that is CBSAM. You can run like that. So it can be handled. But that's not the point, like software can't handle. Not a problem. Other software will handle. We'll go with that.
Yeah, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Any other question, please? Okay. So Priyanka says, if you have made a model of ISM, can we further add mediator and moderator? Priyanka, basically level 2 and level 3 are mediators. If you look closely, Priyanka, from admission to happiness, there was an arrow, which I removed, obviously. So job and development are a mediator to promotion, and all three are the mediator to happiness. It itself says mediator. Moderator is a different thing. Moderator means this particular structure, will it work in the Brazil also? Will it work in the US also? If I change the country, that will be the moderator. Moderator means whether this particular model or relation will be same for the different category of a variable. If yes or no, moderator is different, but mediator is very much part of ISM. Mediator is very much part of ISM. Now let's go with the next one, which is called as, okay, there's one more question. Any chance that variable will fall outside the model? No, Latika, not at all possible. That's the reason we have kept one to the itself. It cannot go out. It cannot go out. And in the morning, somebody asked the question that, what if I take 6 variable here, 5 variable here? The entire calculations will be wrong. So it has to be the equal number variable in row and the column. And since we start by taking a 1, there cannot be any chance any variable will fall away from the model. Not possible at all. Not possible. Yeah. Any other questions, please? So this concludes our discussion on ISM. Let's go now with the TISM, Total Interpretive Structure Modeling.